So today I'm going to be reviewing the Saviland acrylic powders. It came with a set of 10 acrylic powders. Now, the only thing that I was very disappointed about was that they were only 0.35 grams, and I could have looked at the picture to see that, but initially looking when I purchased it, I did not really see it listed anywhere else. I went back and checked after I received it and seen how small they were, and still I didn't see anything until I zoomed in on the picture and it told me how many grams. So it came with 10 beautiful colors. And right now I'm just showing you guys what the color names are. And then I'm going to get in to swatching all of these colors for you guys. I do want this video to pretty much just be me swatching these colors, so I will let you guys know ahead of time that all of these colors were creamy and they worked like a dream. I was using the Mia Secret acrylic system, and of course, as you know, it is a little more watery or a little more runny than other acrylic systems. And this cat's brush was trash, just so you know. But I just wanted you guys to just be able to see all of the swatches. So enjoy. As you all can see, the colors turned out absolutely beautiful. I absolutely love all of these colors and cannot wait to create a set with them. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know if you've ever tried these or what you think about them. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.